You know what they say, when one door closes, another one opens. And then what you should do is take that door and do a DIY project and make an outdoor table. It's quick, easy and affordable to make. Let's show you how. All you have to do is add some pine cold timber. These are the materials that you will need. A KO door from Swartland Windows and Doors, 2 pine posts that act as the legs, and pine cover strips. And you'll need to make use of hand tools or power tools to cut the legs, and also wood screws to fasten everything together. A good idea is to paint everything before assembly, so we're starting with the biggest surface area, which is the door. Using a small sponge roller for the bigger surfaces, and then in the grooves of the door, we're going in with a paintbrush. Make sure that your wood stain is suitable for outdoor exposure and use, because we want this pine wood to last in the elements. Apply 2 coats and allow for drying time between each coat. Now we can fasten the legs that we have cut with a handsaw, and we have measured and positioned them perfectly and exactly the same on either side. We have made use of strong metal L brackets, and we've secured them with wood screws. You can do this by using a power drill. The next step is to add an affordable and budget-friendly apron. That's why we're using pine cover strips. Not only does the apron make the table look more like a table, but it also hides the metal brackets. What a great tip! The pine cover strip was attached to the legs using short wood screws. Now let's flip our project over, and there you have it. A beautiful, quick and easy, not to mention budget-friendly DIY table made from a door. Now you can entertain guests on your patio or balcony in no time if you have to make a plan, and no one would even know it was a door. So these are the materials, and with a bit of DIY elbow grease and creativity, you can turn it into a great piece of furniture for your home. We hope you enjoyed this clever and cool DIY project. Follow Cold Timbers and Swartland Doors and Windows on social media for more awesome DIYs like this one.